This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for August 5th, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 0.4 points or 0.1%, closing at 404.7. Total trade volume was down, with 42,057 shares changing hands at a total value of 192 million real, or close to over $47,000. On the main board, only one stock was up. Hashtag Cambodia gained 2.29% or 60 real to 2,680 real per share. On the downside, four stocks declined. The biggest loser of the day was Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, dropping 1.15% or 140 real to 12,020 real per share, followed by Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, which was down 0.32% or 20 real to 6,160 real per share. Other stocks down were Grand Twins International and Phnom Penh Autonomous Port. Meanwhile, Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, Akleda Bank, MJQ Education, and Cam GSM remained flat. Over on the growth board, JS Land was up 0.72% or 20 real to 2,780 real per share, while DBD Engineering remained flat at 2,010 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day, with 13,753 shares changing hands at a total value of 94 million real or $23,000, approximately 33% of Tuesday's trade volume. Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ recorded the second highest trade volume of the day, with 10,648 shares changing hands at a total value of 22 million real or over $5,500, about 25% of August 5th's trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD remained unchanged at 4,007 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly up to 98.97. Looking at global commodities, oil was little changed on Tuesday as traders assessed rising OPEC plus supply and worries of weaker global demand against U.S. President Donald Trump's threats to India over its Russian oil purchases. OPEC plus agreed on Sunday to raise oil production by 547,000 barrels per day for September, a move that will end its most recent output cut earlier than planned. Brent crude futures were down 36 cents or 0.5% to $68.40 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude slipped 41 cents to $65.88. Both contracts fell by more than 1% on Monday to settle at their lowest in a week. Gold slipped due to an uptick in the dollar, though prices remained near a two-week high on growing expectations of a U.S. rate cut in September. Spot gold was down 0.2% at $3,365.45 per ounce. Bullion hit its highest since July 24th on Monday at $3,385.29. U.S. gold futures were unchanged at $3,423.20. U.S. stock futures were slightly higher early Tuesday following Wall Street's rebound as investors follow the latest batch of corporate earnings. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, Dow Jones Industrial Average futures added 46 points or about 0.1%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.1% and 0.2% respectively. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for August 5th.